Then pull down, parry, punch. Pulling down and into grassbird's tail. And finally, single whip. So from here, this pull down, pull down, and then you notice my fist comes back up in a descending back fist. Then I step across doing the parry and then the punch. So again, from going facing you, I've just done turn down and chop. I'm going to open both hands, pull downward and then back. Follow that with a back fist, drawing that down to my hip, doing a parry to come across, and then a punch. Finally, after that, I'm going to place my left hand on my right forearm, pull downward again, but this time this is a reinforced pull. Come into pung as I turn out my left foot and step through. Again, from here, and turn around and chop. So pulling down, back fist, followed by a parry, and then a punch. I'm going to pull down, come into pung while turning out the foot, and then step into breastbird's tail. Single whip. So from here, so you can see from the other side, pulling down, this is the back fist, this is the parry, this is punching. You notice as I punch, this is true of all the punches, it's palm up until the point of impact, then it's palm in. Now as I come back, I reinforce my pull downward, and then come in with breastbird's tail. Finally, single whip.